Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make this very beautiful, very amazing Diwali card. So here is the list of the material you will need to make it. So here I am using 200 GSM paper and we will use this type of templates. I have given two templates in the description, one is this and one is the simpler one. And we will also need a foam sheet like this. Now we will use some pins to attach it like this. So now with the help of embossing tool, we will transfer this font to another paper. You can also use any pointed thing or any empty ball pen to do it. So now we will remove the pins and it will look like this after embossing. So now I have joined 3 to 4 3mm strips to make a thicker strip, and we will make a border for the fonts. I have made a fine tip bottle. If you don't know how to make it, here is the link. We will use a blade to cut the extra part and be extra careful while using it. Complete the whole part similarly. It will look like this after completing. So now we will again take a 200 GSM paper and we will take the blue strips. We will apply a glue like this. And we will attach the strips like this, one by one, like a gradient. complete the whole paper. Similarly, it will look like this after completing. Now we'll cut the extra borders. So now with the help of tracing papers, we will trace these fonts with the pencil. After tracing, it will look like this. Now we will attach a part of the paper, strip paper. You can also use pins as well as staplers. Now with the help of cutter or a knife, we will cut it very precisely. The more precise it is, the more beautiful your card will be. It will look like this after completing. I have cut it in two parts. If you are using the simpler one, you can do it one by one. Link for the templates is in the description. We will use glue to stick both the parts. So now for the eye dots, I will use punch and we will stick it similarly. We will mark some lines like this. Now we will score these lines with the help of ruler and scissors. Now we fold these lines. Erase the extra lines with the help of eraser. Now we'll start with the front part. We will need two type of cutting like this. We will stick it with glue stick. It will be the flame of diya. We will attach a brown part like this to complete the diya. Attach it to the front of the card. I have also written to and from with the red marker. So I have added two strips of paper to make a loose coil. So you will need lots of coils like this of two colors, yellow and orange, and now we'll attach it in a row like this. Now we'll attach the other coils like this to decorate the diya. So for inside part, I have created two flowers like this, and we will attach it with one more simple coil like this. So guys, it will look like this after completing. You can write your greeting inside the card like this. So here is the end of the video. If you like my ideas, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.